Do you have to go to court during the pandemic? Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm here to talk to you about what your rights are and what's expected of you in court during the COVID-19 pandemic. For almost everyone listening to this video, the answer is you don't have to go to court. Your court has been suspended temporarily. The Supreme Court of Virginia originally suspended all but emergency cases through April 6th. They've now extended that through April 26th, and I'll be very, very surprised if there aren't further extensions. In short, they're treating all of these days during the pandemic sort of like they do snow days. And that is to say, they'll continue it. They don't know the date to which they're going to continue your case. They're simply saying, we'll do it at a later time. When the emergency is over, the court is going to have a huge task on its hands to reassign dates to all of the people who have cases, to bring them all in. I suspect that that's going to take weeks, if not months, to figure out. And they may even drop the ball here and there. We'll see. Bottom line, for most of you, you do not have to go to court now if your court date comes before April 26th. And frankly, I'd be highly suspicious of whether you're going to go to court at any time in May either. However, the government hasn't said that. That's simply my guess. If you are uncertain, call your lawyer. If you don't have a lawyer, call the court. But basically, if your case doesn't qualify as an emergency, then no, you're not going to court before April 26th. Now, what is an emergency? Well, that might be somebody who is in jail and facing the end of their period for a speedy trial. That could be an emergency. Or it could be somebody who was arrested last night and is due to get a bond motion or have an arraignment, that is, to be told officially what it is they're being charged with. Those are emergencies. If you have a case, if you're stuck in jail and your lawyer is trying to get you out because of the pandemic, that might be an emergency. But if you've been charged with a crime and you're not in jail and you're told you have court on April 15th, well, now you don't. So this is true in Virginia. If you're listening and you are not in Virginia, or you are charged somewhere that isn't Virginia, check with lawyers in your state. But in Virginia, all cases have been suspended through April 26th, and we'll see what happens after that. If you have any questions about whether or not you need to be in court before April 26th, give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. And you stay safe.